Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you something truly game-changing for everyone trading on Deriv. If you're tired of manual trading and emotional mistakes, you need to see this. We are looking at PivotCore.net, one of the most powerful auto trading platforms designed specifically for Deriv users. Today, I'm testing out a very specific strategy, the 4 over 5 under method. I'll be placing 10 live trades, aiming for a 50% win rate to show you how consistent this can be. Before we jump into the trades, let's talk about the platform. PivotCore.net is a fully automated system. It connects directly to your Deriv account, meaning you don't have to stay glued to the screen or click buttons manually. It uses smart algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades at the perfect microsecond. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this platform removes the stress of timing and lets the bot do the heavy lifting for you. Now, let's look at the strategy I'm using today. The 4 over 5 under strategy is built on probability. In the over section, we win if the last digit is higher than 4. In the under section, we win if it's lower than 5. By balancing these two on PivotCore, we aim for a steady growth. My plan today is simple: 10 trades, 5 wins. That's all we need to see the potential of this automated setup. Alright, let's start the bot. You can see how PivotCore.net handles everything. No delays, no hesitation. There's our first win, and another one. Notice how the platform manages the risk. Even when a trade doesn't go our way, the system stays disciplined. Manual traders often panic after one loss, but the bot just follows the math. We are reaching our 10 trade limit now, and as you can see, the accuracy is impressive. We've hit our target. Out of 10 trades, we secured 5 solid wins, just as planned. This proves that with a solid platform like PivotCore.net, you don't need to be a market expert to start seeing results. If you are serious about automating your Deriv trading and want to try this strategy yourself, head over to PivotCore.net right now. Stop trading with your heart and start trading with a system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automated trading proof.